What's going on, guys? We're back. Part 2, walking through the blizzard. This time we came prepared. Got a little flashlight in case. Yeah, here we are. Woo. It's real bad today, guys. It's real bad. Look at that. Woo. It's real bad. God bless. See the church right here? God bless. Yeah, here we go. Yeah. It's cold, guys. Here we go. We're just going down a little hill right here. Just going through a little hill. Yeah. Then we're gonna make a ride in the forest. Whew. A little bit scared. No one's there. I don't know if there's any coyotes, wolves. I don't know, but I'm gonna take the chance today. Okay. I'm gonna give you guys a little sight here. There we go. Beautiful. Yeah, there we go. Ooh. You guys see the river right there? I think it's frozen. I don't know if we're gonna find out, but we're definitely gonna walk down this way, right? Look at that, it's all frozen down there. Let's go, guys. Woo. Pretty spooky by myself, but it's gotta be done. Okay. We're gonna go by the water, actually. Let me put on the flash for you guys. There you go. We're gonna go in the water. We're gonna take a chance. It looks like someone's been walking on it. Woo! Okay. Okay, guys. I'm gonna take that chance. No, I'm not gonna take that chance. You crazy? Not yet, at least. Not yet, at least. Not yet. Woo! Okay. Back on our walk. Oh, I see some life, some cars. I'm not alone. Okay, let's keep going, guys. Smart guy. You see I didn't go in the water? That water is still not frozen. See that? I would have been dumb to go in that water. See? I almost fell for it. Let me see how close I can get. Woo! Don't fall in there, boy. See that? Ooh, look at that bridge. Let's get a little closer. Don't fall, boy. Yeah. Keep going. Ooh. Look up. Yeah. Keep going. Oh, look at that tree, man. Let's go in here. Look at that tree with all that snow on top of it. Let's go check it out. Ooh, we got some type of animal or something was here. Look at that. Something was here. Something was here. That was kind of big. What is that? You look behind me. It's always good to look behind you guys. Let's go in here. I want to check out this tree. I want to get a closer look at this tree actually. Yeah, I gotta get past these. Here we go. Look at that. Beautiful tree. Look at that. Beautiful tree. You hear that? Something's out there. Something's out there. Yeah, I got a little spooked actually. I'm good. Alright. Let's get the fuck out of here, man. Black Blair Witch Project. Holy. Okay. Let's keep walking, guys. Let's save this light. Okay. Yeah, man. See, there's the footsteps again. What is this? It's like a little... I don't know. What is that? Set this down for a minute. See what's going on out there. Ooh. Yep. Let's keep walking. Ooh. It's cold, man. See the forestry. See that? Let's keep going, guys. Look at that. Check behind me, man. Yeah. Let's go check out under here. Ooh. Look at this tree, man. This thing's huge. Damn, I'm the only one out here. Look how far that is. Yo. Tell me if you guys like snow. I don't mind the snow. It's not bad. If it's like this and it's not too cold. Look how far back that is, guys. Let me get a better look. Look how far back that is. Oh, man. Okay. Okay.